Kambuni ya Safaricom nĩ ĩrugũrĩtie ũtungata mwerũ ĩreta Safaricom Hook na muoroto wa kũhũra andũ ethĩ njeki ya ũhũthĩri wa technology. Mũbango wa kũrugũria ũtungata ũyũ ũtongoretio nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa Safaricom Peter Ndegwa. Na kũringana na Ndegwa, itanya rĩa Safaricom nĩ gũteithĩrĩria gũcenjia mĩikarĩre ya andũ ethĩ honge-inĩ cia technology na mĩeke ya mawĩra ma ũndũire mĩkĩre-inĩ ya maũndũ matiganĩte.
There are three elements that we'll be doing for the youth. First is to ensure that they have access to the technology, especially the connectivity, ensuring the youth have smartphones on pay-as-you-go, other methods, ensuring that the smartphones are affordable. We are doing that. The second is ensuring that they can afford the bundles, the actual data that they need, and ensuring we tailor that to their needs. So if you are TikTok or Facebook, we tailor one. You can also have your own, build your own bundle. And then there are many other ways that we can ensure, as long as you access the internet, you'll have the opportunity to be able to leverage.
Safaricom has come in handy, very timely, so that they can help us redirect our youth and to show them another way of surviving here on earth, because there's no survival for the fittest. So if digital world can help us, so be it. If these opportunities in the internet can give us a solution to the joblessness of our young people, so be it.